story.
have to make dinner and watch TV and put stuff in the oven.
But because Cole was playing video games, so we had to wait and wait and
But
wait.
did you literally just go that I have to make dinner and put things in the oven and like I'm not really doing it?
Even though this means opposite.
Right.
She's
Yes.
what? Mia,
This
she's
means-
But I
what?
was going like,
Oh, you're going like half air quote? Because I have to put stuff in the
So
oven
Mia,
and
Mia,
make
the-
dinner.
The solution
because
is
she has to like put stuff in the oven. I mean, she's doing it, but she's not doing it fast enough.
might what?
Like she says,
Pew! What is that smell?
So she does a half air quote because I do it slowly. So I have to put stuff in the oven.
Oh, so what's the full air quote for? All right, when do you use the full air quote?
She finally learned.
like my brother was not playing video games.
Or no. She's like my brother was like so cooperating or no. Like I know, like we had to evacuate. Nene, we're in New Orleans because we had to evacuate.
No,
No, we
that
really
doesn't
did.
require air quotes because you actually did have to evacuate.
So we had to.
But she would say that.
We had to evacuate because we kind of evacuated a little late.
A little early.
Early.
A little late.
We were the first people out of Miami. Because you have the what?
Thank
Say
goodness.
it. You
We
have
have the best mom and daddy.
But you do have. Hey, what is that
That
smell?
smell.
Okay,
It's
do this. Do your.